Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix can't turn on or off real-time protection in your Windows Defender or in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for CMD to search for command prompt. Okay? So once the best match would appear, click on Run as Administrator to proceed. And the moment you've clicked at your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to give consent on running command prompt as administrator. Here you need to type a command, okay? Just have to take a note of it or you can take a screenshot of this video, okay? Just have to post it, which is this, okay? This is the first command. Just have to type it here, okay? So it is when mgmt space forward slash salvage repository. Okay. Once done, click enter. And once it has been successfully done, proceed on pasting this or just to have to type this. Okay. This is C colon backward slash program space files backward slash windows space defender backward slash mpcmdrun dot exe close quotation mark dash wde enable. Okay, just have to paste it here, and then once done, just have to close this window and then check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, just have to go with settings. And you need to go with privacy and security. Go with Windows security. And here you can see their protection areas. Proceed on virus and threat protection where the real-time protection is present. Okay, and proceed to manage settings. And there the option is not grayed out anymore. Okay, so just have to check if it is not grayed out or not. Okay. So simply close this window and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.